Welcome back, children. Today we will continue lesson 4, Marching to Freedom. This is part 2. In the previous video, we had learned that there was a boy named Dhani who was staying with his parents in Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram. Binny was his best friend, one of the ashram's goat. Because of full of activities in the ashram, Dhani was curious to know about their plan. Now, let's see what happened next. Filled with curiosity, Dhani went to his mother and asked, Amma, is Gandhiji going somewhere? His mother said he is going on a march. March means walk in a military manner. March, where is he going? Dhani queried. Dhani's mother thought that he was only killing time. She said, stop asking questions and let me do my work. As Dhani's mother was busy, so she said, don't waste my time. Dhani went to the vegetable garden where old Binda was digging up potatoes. Binda Chacha, Dhani sat beside him. Are you going on the march too? Binda nodded his head. Binda said yes. Dhani eagerly asked, where are you all going? Binda stopped digging and told him about the march. Gandhiji and some people from the ashram were going to walk through Gujarat to reach the sea at a place called Dandi. They would walk for a whole month. Once they reached Dandi, they would make salt. Salt, Dhani sat up and frowned. Dhani was surprised. Why will they make salt? You can buy it in every shop. I know, Binda Chacha laughed. But we all have to pay tax on salt. Everyone needs salt, so even the poorest person has to pay this tax, explained Binda Chacha. Children, can you imagine your daily life without salt? Salt is very important. Without salt, food is tasteless. So it doesn't matter poor or rich. Everybody is using salt in daily life. That's why even the poorest person has to pay tax. That is really unfair. Dhani's eyes were hot with anger. This is why? Because it is our resources and still we have to pay tax. Yes, Mahatma Ji has asked the British to stop the tax, but they have refused. So, he has decided to walk to Dandi and make salt from sea water. Why don't they take a bus or a train to Dandi? Dhani asked. Because if he walks all the way to Dandi, the news will spread. More and more people will join him. So children, Gandhiji planned to walk all the way to Dandi, and during this long march, thousands of people will join to enhance the impact of this protest. More people, more impact. This is it for now. What happened next, we will see in the next video. Thank you.